Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Skinny Cabinet Organizer is probably one of the most underrated yet essential tools for maximizing your kitchen space, especially if you're dealing with tight quarters or just want to declutter your countertops. Imagine effortlessly sliding out all your spices, oils, or cleaning supplies from a narrow gap, making every item easily accessible and visible, transforming that awkward, unused sliver of space into a functional pantry extension. This clever solution not only brings order to chaos but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your kitchen by keeping those everyday essentials neatly tucked away yet readily available when you need them most. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER 3-Tier Slim Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing a versatile 3-tier storage cart designed to fit perfectly in narrow spaces. Customize its layout with removable shelves to maximize your storage capacity wherever you need it. Glide this lightweight cart smoothly on its 360 degrees rotating casters, with 2 featuring brakes for secure placement. Its sturdy construction ensures it stays stable while you move it around. Crafted from durable, waterproof plastic, this cart is built to last, even in humid environments. The hollow design allows for easy drainage and cleaning, preventing water buildup. This compact organizer is ideal for dorms, RVs, or tight corners. Use the side hooks for extra hanging space and the deep baskets to keep your essentials secure. Set up your new storage solution in just minutes with its simple, snap-together design. No tools are required, making assembly quick and hassle-free. What we like? This organizer offers flexible storage with removable shelves, perfect for customizing your space. Its lockable casters ensure stability when needed, and the waterproof material makes it ideal for damp environments. If you need a versatile cart that can adapt to different storage needs and is safe to use in bathrooms or laundry rooms, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to assemble, love the color, very easy to move, pretty stable, and for its size it holds a good amount. It is narrow shelf and works great in my bathroom, to hold all my lotions and potions. It has plenty of room for backup rolls, even space for an air freshener and wipes. It assembled very easily, I was able to get it done in a snap. Number 4. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. This rolling cart is designed to fit into any corner of your home. With its 360-degree wheels, you can easily move it wherever you need extra storage. It's perfect for offices, bathrooms, kitchens, and even narrow spaces. This cart offers multiple compartments to help you organize your belongings efficiently. You can easily store and access everything you need at a glance. Plus, the included side hoops provide even more external storage options. This isn't just a cart, it can be transformed into a 2- or 3-tier shelf by removing the casters. It's a versatile solution that can serve as a bathroom dresser or a kitchen spice rack, helping you keep your space tidy. The bottom of this storage trolley features a mesh hollow design. This prevents water from pooling, ensuring that your stored items stay dry and clean at all times. Made from high-quality plastic, this mobile cart is both stable and durable. It's incredibly easy to assemble, requiring no additional tools for a quick and successful setup. What we like? This cart provides excellent mobility with its 360-degree rotating wheels, allowing you to easily move it anywhere. The mesh hollow design keeps items dry, and it can be adjusted to 2 or 3 layers for versatile use. If you're looking for a mobile organizer that can adapt to various storage needs and keep items dry, this is the one for you. What people say. It fits good between the toilet and the sink counter. It gives me so much needed storage. It has 3 narrow shelves, the bottom 2 are just perfect to stack a 12-pack of TP. I like that it's on casters so I can wheel it in and out of place to load it up. Number 3. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Discover how to make the most of every inch in your home. This cart is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, offering a smart solution for tight spaces. It features a clever tiered design to accommodate items of all sizes, from tall bottles to daily essentials. Everything has its place. With 360-degree swivel casters, you can easily move and organize items throughout your home. It makes tidying up a breeze. Assembly is a snap, taking less than 10 minutes with no tools required. You can even customize the shelves and remove the wheels for a stationary setup. Despite being lightweight for easy portability, each shelf can hold a significant amount of weight. The breathable mesh design also prevents water pooling and rust. This cart is perfect for any room, bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even small spaces like RVs. It solves storage headaches everywhere. Its narrow profile is ideal for placement against walls or between furniture, providing stable, gap-filling storage. It's the perfect organizer for awkward nooks. What we like. This organizer is specifically designed to maximize narrow gaps, making it perfect for tight spaces. It features tool-free assembly and a breathable mesh bottom to prevent water pooling. If you have awkward nooks and crannies that need organizing and prefer a quick, easy setup, this organizer is an excellent solution. What people say. It fits good between the toilet and the sink counter. It gives me so much needed storage. It has 3 narrow shelves, the bottom 2 are just perfect to stack a 12-pack of TP. I like that it's on casters so I can wheel it in and out of place to load it up. Number 2. SONGMICS 4-piece stackable cabinet organizer shelf set. These versatile racks adapt to your needs. Use them on the counter as a spice rack, stack them in cabinets, or organize your pantry. With engineered wood tops and black metal frames, they bring a refined simplicity to any modern home. Don't let their size fool you. Each organizer can hold up to 33 pounds, easily handling your coffee gear or panini press. Arrange the 4 shelves in any configuration you like, stacked, nested, side by side, or in an L shape to perfectly fit your space. This set includes 2 smaller shelves and 2 larger shelves, offering different dimensions to suit various storage needs. What we like. This set offers flexible storage solutions with its stackable and expandable design, allowing you to create custom layouts. The combination of metal and engineered wood provides a contemporary charm and sturdy support. If you need to organize countertops, cabinets, or pantries and appreciate a stylish, adaptable shelving system, this set is ideal. What people say. The built-in shelves were too tall for small items, so a lot of space was wasted. These risers instantly doubled the storage area and made everything easier to see and reach. The wood tops feel solid and look nicer than plain wire racks, and the black metal frame is sturdy enough to hold heavy cans without wobbling. These shelves were perfect for our cabinets. We were able to stack our glasses and cups. They are visibly attractive to see when you open the door and they fit very nicely in the cabinet. They are sturdy and will last for many years. These shelves are simple but so effective as they instantly double the usable space by adding structure where there used to be wasted vertical room. Plates, mugs, bowls, spices, everything finally has its place without me playing kitchen Tetris every time I reach for something. The build feels sturdy and balanced, and they don't wobble or tip even when loaded up with heavier items. Number 1. SONGMICS Cabinet Organizer Shelf Set UKCS 010 and 01. These versatile racks offer flexible storage options for every need. Use them on your countertop as a spice rack, stack them to maximize cabinet space, or bring order to your pantry. With engineered wood tops and white metal frames, they exude refined simplicity. They are a perfect addition to any modern home. Though small and simple in structure, these organizers are powerful enough to hold up to 33 pounds each. They can easily handle your coffee gear or panini press. You can place the 4 shelves stacked, nested, side by side, or in an L shape to fit your space. Their clever customizable design lets your imagination be the only limit. Please note that this set of 4 kitchen cupboard organizers comes in 2 different sizes. 2 small shelves measure 7.7D x 11.7W x 6.2H and 2 large shelves measure 7.3D x 11.7W x 5.4H. What we like. This set provides flexible storage solutions with its stackable and expandable design, perfect for creating custom layouts in your kitchen or pantry. The white metal frame offers a clean, contemporary look. If you're looking for a stylish and adaptable shelving system to maximize space in your kitchen or cabinets, this set is a great fit. What people say. These risers instantly doubled the storage area and made everything easier to see and reach. The wood tops feel solid and look nicer than plain wire racks, and the black metal frame is sturdy enough to hold heavy cans without wobbling. These shelves were perfect for our cabinets. We were able to stack our glasses and cups. They are visibly attractive to see when you open the door and they fit very nicely in the cabinet. They are sturdy and will last for many years. These shelves are simple but so effective as they instantly double the usable space by adding structure where there used to be wasted vertical room. The build feels sturdy and balanced, and they don't wobble or tip even when loaded up with heavier items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.